So you thought this was Weather Radio Rampage 7, right? Well, no, because this is...
County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, central Virginia, southeastern Colbert County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, eastern Pennsylvania County in central Virginia, until 3 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Woodbridge to 10 miles northwest of Stafford, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging.
Why didn't I mark go off?
Large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors.
They
as well
did!
as homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages.
Bruh! I'm gonna have to move my ear 10, guys.
Locations impacted include Stafford, Dale City, Fredericksburg,
Because if it won't receive, I'm gonna have to move it.
Fairview Beach, Aquia Green, Potomac Creek, Lake Ridge, Montclair, Triangle, Dumfries, Massachusetts, Spotsylvania, Cherry Hill, Independence Hill, Falmouth, Mason Neck, and Pass Building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
But that scared me. There it is! Oh, you activated on the second header! You activated on the second header, and then the third header was an unrecognized watch.
In Virginia, Amelia,
I said it on tone, didn't I?
Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Savannah.
Well, just because my Wi-Fi was like a piece of
Trash.
it wouldn't let me look when it was gonna be a job.
Thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While
You activated for an unrecognized message? Wow, we're failing big time, aren't we?
changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond,
SVR!
Chesterfield County,
Guys, I got an SVR!
the city of Colonial Heights in central Virginia, the city of Hobart in south central Virginia, the northeastern city of Petersburg in south central Virginia,
huge.
In central Virginia until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Shenandoah to near Montpelier, moving south at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive.
It's destructive.
Metro and surrounding areas. Hazard 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated.
Guys, it's destructive.
Without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily
80 miles per hour.
Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
That came out of nowhere.
Outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Randolph making.
Guys, I just got a destructive SVR.
Mechanicsville, Wyndham, friendly and low around 3:25 p.m. Richmond, Temple, East Highland Park and Lakeside
It's
around 3:30 p.m.
humongous.
Highland Springs, Virginia Union University, Virginia Commonwealth University in Manatee around 3:35 p.m. Bonnier, University of Richmond and downtown Richmond around 3:40 p.m. Bellwood and Bentley around 3:45 p.m. Chester around 3:50 p.m. Moseley around 3:50.
That's strong. Oh! 2-minute limit.
The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County in western Virginia, southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Harrisonburg in western Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Timberville, Oregon, 17 miles north of Harrisonburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This furniture goes outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Harrisonburg, Broadway, Timberville, Shenandoah, Massachusetts, Elkton, Tunis, and Laird, Milwaukee, Cherry Grove, Lacey Springs, Salts Run, Swingers Glen, Greenville, Burton, and Keezeltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather. Moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and maple-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Petersburg and Prince George around 4:05 p.m. Sutherland around 4:10 p.m. Disbutata around 4:15 p.m. Dinwiddie, Carson, and Dewitt around 4:20 p.m. McKinney and Stony Creek around 4:25 p.m. Sussex around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Newville, Wintermont, Burgess Estate, Madison, Gilbert Streams, Jordan Point Country Club, Warren Store, and Petersburg National Battlefield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Please report severe weather by calling 757 Getty 999. Southwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, west central Prince William County in northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middleburg, Oregon, 14 miles west of Brambleton, moving south at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm
Whoa,
near
destructive.
Middleburg, moving south towards Marshall. Hazard 80 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, considerable damage to trees and power lines. Your life is at significant risk if outdoors.
Whoa!
In addition to some trees falling into homes, wind damage is possible to roofs, sheds, open garages, and mobile homes. Locations impacted include Warrenton, Middleburg, Des Plaines, Delaplane, New Baltimore, Marshall, Broken Hill, Auburn, Casanova, Rectortown, Orleans, Matherville, Halfway, Upperville, Early, Broad Run, Asheville, and Ada. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, north central Albemarle County in central Virginia, Greene County in central Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shenandoah, Oregon, 11 miles east of Harrisonburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Shenandoah, Massanutten, Stanardsville, Elston, McMullen, Boonesville, Lydia, Hannahtown, Mission Home, Swift Run, Amicus, St. George and Shady Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Madison County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, East Central Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warrenton, moving south at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Warrenton moving south.
Whoa, it's
Hazard,
destructive.
80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I swear, if one of these storms comes toward me, I'm gonna go crazy.
Expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Your life is at significant risk if outdoors.
Because Farmville is
In
under
addition
this
to
watch.
some trees falling into homes, wind damage is possible to roofs, sheds, open garages,
Did you
and
say what I
mobile
think you
homes.
said?
Locations impacted include Culpeper, Warrenton, Bealton,
Trees
Mobile,
falling,
Farmington, Midland,
some trees
Elkwood,
falling into
Casanova,
homes.
Stevensburg, Brandy
Wow.
Station, Jeffersonton, Flat Run, Turnbull, Winston, Cordova, Mitchells, Ricksville, Lake of the Woods, and Alanfus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That is scary.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, eastern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, Southwestern Warren County in Northwestern Virginia, Eastern Page County in Northwestern Virginia, West Central Rappahannock County in Northwestern Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Luray, or 10 miles southeast of Woodstock, at 30 miles per hour. Gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Luray, Stanley, Big Meadows, Fairview, Kimball, Bentonville, Compton, Panorama, Ida, Pine Grove, Skyland, and Rileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Locations impacted include Colliver, Orange, Vine Run, Stevensburg, Oak Park, Emerona, Verdiersville, Montpelier Station, Locust Road, Thornhill, Massens, Winston, Madison Mills, Medford, Mitchells, Unionville, Somerset, Locust Dale, Raccoon Ford, and Roseville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across southern Culpeper County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. County in Central Virginia, Louisiana County in Central Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Louisiana, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ferncliff around 5:55 p.m. Kent, Store, and Troy around 6 p.m. Palmyra around 6:05 p.m. Fort Union and Columbia around 6:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Dixie, Mayer, Louisiana Airport, Green Springs, Stage Junction, Shores, Zion Crossroads, Central Plains, Antioch, and Union Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. This is a statement from
What a surprise from Sterling!
for the following counties in Virginia: Albemarle, Greene, Madison, Orange, Page, Rockingham, and Shenandoah, and the Virginia independent city of Charlottesville. Flood warning in effect until 12:15 a.m. Thursday.
12 in the morning.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of central Virginia, northwest Virginia, and western Virginia, including the following counties in central Virginia: Albemarle, city of Charlottesville, Greene, and Orange. In northwest Virginia, Madison, Page, and Shenandoah. In western Virginia,
First flood
Rockingham.
warning on
The hazardous weather
150
conditions
and
are expected until
R-
12:15 a.m.
the,
Thursday. Impacts.
the
flooding
R
rivers, creeks,
1650,
streams,
the
and other
R1630 and
low
the
and flood-prone
first,
locations
well, not
is
first flood warning for
imminent.
this.
Additional details at
And
6:12 p.m.
You didn't get it.
Heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Charlottesville, Shenandoah, Stanley, Stanardville, Free Union, Big Meadows, Campbell, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Elkton, Rutgersville, Ivy, Lydia, Amicus, Hannahtown, McMullen, St. George, Crinkley, Shady Grove, Fletcher,
Youngstown! Youngstown!
Yeah.
Sterling issued a flood warning.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
They issued a flood warning and
Surprise me with it.
And now a special
SVR! Albemarle, Green, Madison, and Page. Oh, wait a minute! Somebody were able to go for the flood!
The National Weather Service in Sterling County has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, north central Albemarle County in central Virginia, Greene County in central Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shenandoah, Oregon, 14 miles east of Harrisonburg, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations: McMullen, Newport, Ingham, Boonesville, Lydia, Hannahtown, Mission Home, Swift Run, Amicus, Fletcher, Joliet, St. George, and Shady Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
What the heck?
Northeastern Charlotte County in south central Virginia.
What the? Okay, a bird.
Central Virginia.
That was a bird.
p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Centenary, 14 miles north of Buckingham, moving south at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
I thought I heard something bleeding
Hail
in.
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
I thought I was DXing something. No, I guess not.
Locations of tested include Buckingham, Appomattox, Dillwyn, Phoenix, Van Creek.
I don't know what to do with this yet.
Prepare
Wait a minute.
for hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly
Hold on.
ground lightning.
I am getting something.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Yeah, I'm getting. Something's bleeding in with
Locally,
KC
heavy rain
28.
will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways. Standing water
Yeah, I'm getting something.
and minor flooding of creeks
Something's bleeding in.
and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to
The
do so,
signal isn't strong enough for it to
any signs
bleed in all the way,
of
though.
reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215.
I think it's because of because of how humid outside.
Reports and pictures
Because it did rain here.
on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
So I think I am premiering this. So, but if I'm not, can you guys tell me what station I might be getting? Because something's bleeding in, as you can hear.
In Virginia, Amelia, Amherst, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Louisiana, Louisa, Lunenburg,
Listen.
Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember,
Hear that?
a severe
Something's bleeding in. So can you please tell me what I'm getting in the chat, or if I'm not premiering this? Can you tell me what I'm getting in the comments?
severe thunderstorm warning for
And something just got continued. I don't know what it is.
Central Greene counties is canceled.
Oh, okay. All right. They served that!
Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in Central Virginia.
Shut up!
Central Virginia, Eastern Campbell County in Central Virginia, Southwestern Buckingham County in Central Virginia until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Appomattox National Historic Park, or near Appomattox, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Uh-oh, what was that?
19 years old.
Damage to vehicles.
So I reported flooding.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Appomattox, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Red House, Concord, Pamplin City, and Madisonville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams,
Oh my
and
gosh.
areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra...
They updated the SVA.
By calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Okay, first of all,
No,
Weather Pro, how could you not?
The National Weather Service's Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Vienna Vista in West Central Virginia, northeastern Rockbridge County in West Central Virginia, northwestern Amherst County in Central
Why
Virginia.
did he fall over? Just why?
At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stewart's Draft, Oregon, 11 miles southwest of Stanton, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vienna Vista, Forks of Buffalo, Cornwall, Lowesville, Alto, Fairfield, and Orinoco. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in Central Virginia, northern Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, eastern Campbell County in Central Virginia, southwestern Buckingham County in Central Virginia, until Central Virginia, southwestern Buckingham County in Central Virginia, southeastern Campbell County in Central Virginia, western Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, northeastern Halifax County in South Central Virginia, until 5:15 a.m. At 11:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3
What a good way to end this weather event
1 to 2
tonight.
inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as
Good way to end it with
drainage
the flash
and
flood
low-lying
warning.
areas.
Well, that's the best way to end it.
Some locations
And the best way to
that
end it is
experience
with a flash flood warning.
include Appomattox,
Perfect.
Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Red House, Clover, Band Creek, Pamplin City. This includes the following streams and drainages: Armistead Branch, Abbott Branch, Bear Creek, Bear Branch, Black Walnut Creek, Beaver Pond Branch, Alabama Creek, Austin Creek, Band Creek, Appomattox River, and Blackfoot
I'm
Creek.
like, oh, WXL60 is going off for a severe thunderstorm warning. Nope, it's a flash flood warning on WXL60 and KCC28. How about that?
Especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324.
2-minute limit.